Okay, what just happened? Apparently, one of the tires had less air in it and we were driving on snow in the middle of a storm. So the Jeep decided to swivel off the road and into the ditch. Thankfully, we were able to pull ourselves out of the ditch and back on the road, and here we are. Getting the spare back in. How did you get the stripped bolt out?
Pounded some onto it.
Don't put the finger underneath.
Just gently does it. Gentleman that stopped to help us. We didn't even get his name yet. We're powering through like that.
My name's Raymond Donfermal.
Raymond. Thank you, Raymond.
Yep.
Alright, we switched out the flat with our spare tire and we are back on the road. We are now heading over to Sam and Joel's to work on installing the bumper together.
Oh, be good.
Not keep him in my well, you two can play.
Yeah.
Love your outfit. Never.
Thanks.
Here you Jonathan.
That's one way to get it out.
Perfect.
So
Rip
you're
it out.
so fast at things lately.
Okay.
I can't believe you don't want to save it.
So we've decided to cut the bolt right off and then it should just fall off. That's kind of the idea.
What's the headlights? He's like almost going into the headlights.
Are you tightening it? Maybe?
Oh, no, you're good.
Out. Go on out. Come on. Go on out.
Yes.
Well,
You gotta see how it bolts up. Well, we found one anyway.
Sam?
Bunch of eggs.
Oh, that's a lot.
Farm fresh.
Got a nice haul today.
Thank you, I know, yes.
Yeah, that'll work, Joel.
Okay, come in slow.
Now put that thing ahead, Joel. Put this thing ahead, yeah.
Okay, keep coming slow. Yeah, keep her going. Yeah, we're in. There, give me your gun there, dude. We're good there.
We got four,
You'll
Joel.
make another.
Okay. I can put one more on the top.
What happened?
We made a mistake.
There's no mistakes made.
Joel, what are you doing right now? I'm kidding.
We are just getting in the really tight spot and putting that bolt, and then we'll just put a nut on top rather than the bolt down through. Yeah.
Oh, you guys got really fluffy. Oh, it's been a while. You got big. What? What? So we finally got the front bumper on. That's one more thing to check off our list. we do have a rear bumper. I don't know if that's really something we want to go with. So we're still reconsidering whether we want to install that bumper. We want to maybe look into some other type of rear bumpers because the one we got is a little too bulky for the kind of look that we're going for. But we got this one on and it was a little complicated. Thank goodness we had so much help. We cut the bolt off and there was a nut inside that was welded, so it was really hard for us to get it out, so we ended up like really tapping it out, and then by doing that we broke the nut and the casing that it was in. This bumper did not come with any nuts, so we didn't really have a nut to use. We had to use the factory nuts that were the welded ones, so we kind of managed to put it on. It is on right now, it is sturdy. However, we might have to take it off again to put the winch on, and we might maybe make some improvise at that point if we need to. But yeah, the bumper is on. The main thing is that we were able to get the bumper off, and now this bumper's on and we can take it from there and we know what's going on now. We will maybe see you next week when we install the rear bumper or when we're trying to figure something else out. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's it for this week's video. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and leave your questions and suggestions in the comment section below. That's it. Thanks. Bye.